Hello, welcome to our teaching series. Today we'll be looking at inverse variation. Recall earlier we talked about direct variation. Today let's look at inverse variation. We have a question here to guide us. If R varies inversely as h and R equals to 5 when h equals to 12. A. Find R when h equals to 20. B. Find h when R equals to 45. Now to do this, we say solution. We're told that R varies inversely as h. I'll say R varies inversely as h. This is how to write R varies inversely as h. Okay, this is the inverse notation. Then the question went on to say R equals to 5 when h equals to 12. Now before we move on, we need to introduce our constant. So I'll say R equal to k over h. You see, I've introduced my constant, this k, which is telling us the relation between what r and h. So I put in the value 5 for r, 5 here, k here, then my h is 12, I put in 12, okay? Now looking at this, I'll balance by 1 and cross multiply, balance this side by 1 and cross multiply. K times 1 is k, then 5 times 12 is 60, okay? My k is 60, okay? So I can go back to this and say r equal to k, which is 60 over h, and this will be the relationship. This will be the relationship between r and h. Now, having gotten the relationship, I can find r when h equals 20. Okay, I'll just say r equals to 60 over what's my h? The h is 20, so I'll put in 20 here. Okay. 20 here 1, 20 here 3. 3 over 1 is what? 3. So my r equals to 3. Okay, you can see that I've gotten the A part of the question. I'm told to find r when h is 20. It means whenever h is 20, r should be what? 3. Going to the second part of the question, I am told to, that's the B part of the question. I am told to find h when r is 45. So let me write our relationship first. Our relationship is what? K over what? H. That's relationship, okay? So now I'm finding what? H. I'm finding this h when this r is 45, when this r here is 45. So I'll put 45 here equal to what's my k? My k is a constant, which is 60 over what? H. I balance by 1 cross multiply. 60 times 1 is 60 equals to 45 h, okay? Permit me to come up here and continue, okay? Let's go up here and continue. Now, I have 60 equals to 45 h. To get h, I'll divide both sides by 45, divide this side by 45, and divide this side by 45. 45 cancels 45, right? Then my h equals to 60 over 45. Okay, recall that 15 can go here 3, 15 can go here 4, 15 here 3, 15 here 4. So I have h equals to 4 over 3, which is equal to how many 3 going with 4? 1. Remember 1 over 3, okay? So looking at that, I have the question, my h is what? 1 over 1 over 3, which is settled out, okay? Let's take it again. R varies inversely as h, can be written as this. Then we introduce our constant. After the constant, we cross multiply to get our constant. Then we bring the relationship r equals to what? K over h, which is 60 over h. That relationship between the two. After forming a relationship, you can get any value. That's what we have done in this question. Question A is saying find r when h equals 20. You can see we use our relationship this r equal to 60 over the given h, which is 20, then you divide, then everything becomes a lot easier. Okay, for now, bye bye.